God help me. Ooh, I think I've been saved.
Yo, I really haven't held this. Little chap. I really haven't held my camera since last week. I really missed y'all. Like, I missed y'all a lot. It's not like I forgot about y'all, but I have been working all week, like 9 days straight. I'm about to go to work now, and I wanted, to talk to y'all. But I missed y'all. I'm so glad to be back vlogging. I got a few off days this week, and I got a few things I'm trying to do. So, I'm back. So, I was gonna wait till later on when I do my makeup to talk to y'all about this, but I am 28 years old, no children. I did have things in my name, but I decided to be a travel CNA, so I gave up my apartment. My dad took over my car note. So, yeah, now I have nothing to my name. Well, I got my car, but, I ain't paying for it, but whatever. And I know I want to get out of the CNA field, but I have no idea what I want to do, who I want to be. It's kind of sad. It's kind of depressing. It weighs on me a lot. I just know I'm destined to be great, but great in what? Great in what? I don't know. I talk to God all the time, and it's like I don't know, I feel like he tells me all the time what to do, and I just be missing my mark, like, I feel like I just be missing it. I just need him to hit me with something like, Bianca, this is it, because right now I'm not grasping it. I don't know what it is. It feels closer and so far away at the same time, like, I struggle with this all the time. Like, I've always been mature for my age. And, like, even when I was in high school, I was always concerned about my future, but I guess I never put anything or effort towards it. When I was younger, I was in a relationship, and, I thought I was gonna be a housewife. And my main thing was to make sure he was okay, encouraging him, building him up, and then years later, we break up. I guess in them years, I never took the time to figure out who Bianca was or what Bianca really wanted. And, here I am, trying to figure out what it is I want. I've been thinking I know what I want. And I'd be so close to getting to it or having it. Then I don't know, maybe I get distracted and I fall. I don't know. I don't know nothing anymore. Like, I've been thinking I know it all. Because not know it all, like literally, but I've been thinking I'm close to it. But as soon as I think I know it, like, it's like I don't know nothing at all. Sometimes I feel like I'm fucking spiraling. I don't know what direction to go. I just pray every day for guidance. Counsel me, Lord. Counsel me. Lead me. Hold my hand, guide me. Because I don't know what to do no more. I don't know what to do. I'm a strong friend, so, I don't really talk to nobody. I can talk to them. It's not that they don't check on me or nothing like that, but I don't like to talk about, this stuff with people. I don't know where I'm going. I just know where I don't want to be. You feel me? I don't know. Thanks for listening.
So we getting ready to head out finally. Whenever she come back out, she left the keys. Hi, pretty.
Hello. I'm off to see the wizard.
The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Yes, maybe he knows where the Muppet Man lives.
Why would he know where the Muppet Man lives? They from two different areas of the world.
I bought for 16 passenger, this a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. keep some numbers with me in the fridge. The coke seats, they some cannibals. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up. She took a little, mixed it with the chill out. She said she seen pretty.
Go ahead. We are now recording live at El Manhattan. There has been a fire taking place in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Please talk about that.
I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of sun. Carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble.
Okay. So, I had one margarita.
I'm over my league.
Hey, I'm tired. I'm tired.
I need to make a video. I need one.
No, for real. It's my third taco. I barely made it. I'm really full for the second one and the drinks. Yeah, I was saying it because I'm really, this is gloomy. I'm so full. Oh my God, I'm so full. I don't know how I'm fat because I don't be eating.
Hey, is we the Lulu or we normal?
First of all, tell that girl to go on with that Southern Louisiana slang. We don't know what she's saying. Speak English.
She barely speak English when she's speaking English.
Who playing with these heat out here?
God.
Somebody call God. Is that on?
God is hot.
God is hot.
If you love
Lord
us,
have mercy.
you'll simmer the L down.
God, send your winds. Lord, carry us
You know you
by your
going,
mercy.
and that's why she going right down there.
Heaven.
Heaven ain't down below.
It's me trying to keep the whole time on the phone, please.
Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. She took a look,
But after, we had our little tacos, we decided to go bowling. I just wanted to get out the house. My friend hasn't been out the house since she got here. Say hello, friend.
Hola, amigos.
We are here for get a little drink, a little tequila. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, and tequila, period. I'm so proud.
Don't be. Be proud when you get your ass out.
Like if you cock, don't touch. Shroom and G sit apart. We get.
Y'all see Cuban?
Had to chill myself out.
Motherfucking 5 kilo. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. Don't take. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your levels, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Look at her acting ratchet at the public restaurant.
Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, this is what you find. Good news is,
BEE.NYK.
Bad news is, you went the wrong way. Things was better, like that's better than yours.
I got one off like this.
I think being broke is better, better than yours. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? my head on my pillow, staring out the window. So my star won't shine.
What's the hookers? And it's Christmas, Charlotte. Fly hands on. Copy the food. I Just like you said. I'm putting on my YouTube, by the way.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook. Checking how my hair and my nails look.
I don't care either.
Feelings all really nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. Your face might be my favorite song. I send an email at home. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow. Got me staring out the window. What's on the Starbucks sign? What's the reason why?
My Instagram the same.
Sexy boy.
Yeah.